Do you hear all my birds? Look at that one right there. He just landed. Where'd he go? There he is. These are called Stellar Jays. Not a pretty bird. I've been feeding the birds. See, I give him peanuts down there, and then we have bird food. See, he wants to come get a peanut. Let's see if he'll do it. Okay, there's another one up there now too. See, there's two. Did you get scared off? That must be the boss bird. Here, let me back up a little bit. Let's see. Donnie's like, I want to get the birds, Dad. Okay, let's see if he goes down there now. See him? See, there he goes. Now he's getting his peanuts. And then now here comes another one. Oh, look, there's another one now. And look, now this is a different bird. Let's see where it is. Can you see her? See that bird right there? That's the mama bird. She's got babies around. I guess they all have babies around here, probably. What's that noise you're making there, buddy? You got scared off by this other bird, didn't you? They're pretty dominant, aren't they? Watch, here he goes. They're getting pretty used to me. Pretty soon, I think they might come closer to me.